I was excited for this trading day for one specific reason, other than other days. Today was a CPI news data day, and from every time I back tested CPI news data, basically 90% of the time, one end of the CPI news data will be hit, say the low, and then right after that, the same day, or within the hour, the other end will get hit, in this situation, the high. So I was excited for today. I always love trading these days. Same with PPI, any news data for the most part. But this is kind of just to explain why I took the trade. Today in particular, I was willing to take a little bit more risk. I had taken a trade the night before for just around $400, so I was willing to risk it, not even in a money way. I obviously, you can see I've already positioned my size in this clip, but I only risked 200, but it was a little bit more of a risky play because we hadn't really touched too many lower liquidity and stuff like that. So it was a little risky, but it was a good trade off of the inverse fair value gap, and we did touch a low and a rejection candle and then a break of structure, good displacement candles, and obviously you could see I even added another position to another inverse fair value gap after we had a draw down into a fair value gap and had some good direction out of it. So entered off of that with another contract, which again wound up going well because it hit later. But I'm gonna stop yapping now. There's just one last 3-minute clip, just wrapping up the video. But yeah, more videos like this coming soon. Okay, it's just around like 12 hours later from the last clip. It is 12:24 a.m. I let this trade play out from break even just because this wick is a CPI news data wick, and I am more confident in news data liquidity targets. Like normally on a day where I'm working, I would close my position just so I'm not thinking about it during work. But I was break even, and I was risking $0 for, I think it was like almost 1,000. It's a new day now, so I can't see how much my P&L was for, I guess, yesterday technically. But it was over 1,000, so nice, very nice. We had a good one last night. We had a good one this morning. 2 good ones. Obviously, I've been doing voiceovers, so if I didn't say it already, I muted my mic by accident, and yeah, so that's wonderful. But this looks awful on the 1 minute, and I think it was around, yeah, we came down here, which I was fine with, like totally fine with. Again, as it was, I was risking $0, but I just didn't see it coming down lower. Especially, I mean, it obviously could have left the news data high, but to me that's highly unlikely. Every time I've gone back and back tested CPI news, usually takes one side and then very soon after takes another. So yeah, so I've seen some people trying to short today, and it's just I don't know if it's looking like a short bias over like bullish bias on a day where CPI news data, just for example, is open, meaning the high hasn't been taken yet, then I'm not willing to go the opposite direction. In this case, obviously shorting. So, like, during all of this, I really wanted some confluences to come back up, and this was perfect. Like, to me, it would have been nicer to, like, I marked it out. I would have rather taken all of this, boom, 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 and boom. But it's a good wick. It's like rejection wick, and then a good like come up here, and then there was another. This is where I entered more positions. Boom, right here. This inverse, I got another contract in right here, and so unfortunate that I didn't just take it here, so I wasn't so cuckoo the whole day. But it was nice to come back and see, even though it messed around for so long, that it hit just around 10 hours later. So yeah, it's been a good past few days. So I'm gonna be looking for some trades tonight. I'm trying to do 2 trades a day right now. one at night and then one the next day for New York session. So I'm gonna go do some looking around, and hopefully the next video is me finding a good trade. But I'm not gonna force anything. I'm just gonna look, and yeah, that's all for today's trade.